In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a space in Wrike. Whether you're a seasoned Wrike user or new to this collaborative platform, understanding how to manage team access is essential. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating Wrike and adding users to your project spaces efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to Wrike and either log in or sign up if you haven't already. Now, don't worry, this process is straightforward. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll notice a sidebar on the left, which is designed to help you move smoothly between projects and spaces. Next, locate the space in the sidebar to which you want to add new users. Spaces in Wrike are essentially the hubs for your projects, where all tasks and processes related to specific projects are organized. Selecting the right space is crucial for ensuring that the correct team members have access to the relevant information and tasks. Once you've selected your desired space, notice near the top right corner of the screen, there's a button labeled Share. Clicking this will open a world of options, allowing you to tailor access and collaboration settings for your team. Now that you're in the Manage Members and Sharing section, use the search field provided to find the user you wish to add. You can type the person's name or their email address directly into the search bar. This functionality makes it quick and easy, especially if you're adding multiple team members or if the new user is already part of your organization's database on Wrike. After locating the person, it's important to assign them the appropriate access role. Wrike offers various roles such as admin, editor, and viewer. It's crucial here to choose the correct role to ensure that the person has the right level of access to perform their tasks effectively. For example, if they need to make changes and edit documents, editor might be the suitable role. If they only need to view the tasks, then viewer would suffice. Choose carefully to maintain the balance between accessibility and security within your projects. Finally, click Add or Invite to complete the process. This action sends an invitation to the user, allowing them to immediately join the space with the permissions you've assigned. It's as simple as that. With just these few steps, you've enhanced your team's collaboration potential on Wrike. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to add more users to your spaces. Understanding this process empowers you to scale your project management capabilities efficiently. Remember, effective collaboration is the key to successful project execution. Should you encounter any issues, the Wrike support platform is a fantastic resource filled with helpful guides and troubleshooting advice. Thanks for joining me today, and happy collaborating.